This is a video abstract for an article published in Outlook on Agriculture titled Herbicides and Zero Tillage in South Asia. Are we creating a gendered problem? Often the academic literature on conservation agriculture has taken a rather immediate and more tangible focus on the impacts of conservation agriculture, particularly agronomy. We know that CASI is in the main agronomically beneficial to most farmers. Where labour dynamics have been explored, it has been shown to be mostly beneficial, but analyses tend to be done for the household head or at household level. Because of this, we continue to promote CASI across the Eastern Gangetic Plains and claim that it is women-friendly. Yet there is very little literature to confirm this. This is often problematic, as many studies in Africa have shown an emerging narrative that CASI can in fact be women-unfriendly, often increasing their burden in comparison to freeing males to other endeavours. Our aim was to explore in depth if adoption of CASI in the EGP truly was women-friendly. To explore this properly, we knew we wanted to go in depth. So we designed a targeted photo voice survey that tracked both time allocation and understanding across the first 7 weeks of planting winter crops using CASI for 24 households, with both household heads participating. We did this across both maize and wheat and in 3 different locations. What we can confirm from this study is that CA saves large amounts of time and benefits both men and women spouses of the household, though this is location specific. Regionally, time savings averaged 85%. Those savings were overall limited in Bangladesh, where weeding activities were already limited in conventional systems. Importantly, females tended to save more time than their male counterparts, and there was no evidence of responsibilities or roles being transferred from men to women. What we did identify is that in terms of weeding skills, there was a tendency for men and women to identify different weeds in the same field. And this means that there are gendered skill sets within the household for weed management. We also found an overall poor ability to name or distinguish between weeds in fields, though gender did not seem to be a differentiating factor. This likely reflects the dominance of non-selective herbicide use, though knowledge gaps were more evident in maize and particularly in Bangladesh. While we have a small sample size, our in-depth analysis leans towards confirming that CASI can be considered woman-friendly in the Eastern Gangetic Plains. It does not appear to increase women's burdens as experienced by users in this study.